Hello, welcome back to Jenny channel. Moisturizing my face first, then powder my eyebrows to block the oil. Defining my eyebrows, just following the shape of my eyebrows. I thought I recorded when doing my eyebrows, but I forgot to press the start button. I'm using the Nobianto by Jovius eyeshadow palette, going with the brown shade in Madagascar and Kenya. Anastasia eyeshadow in Osiris. It's purple. I'm not using any ring light, I'm just using natural light. I'll cut my crease using Lagal Pro Concealer in Fawn. And by the way, I'll be posting makeup and hair videos more than the special effects makeup from now. It has been hard getting the homemade special effect products here. Since it's evening makeup, I'm going for a bright color. I'll just add Carite glitter eyeliner number 4 so that the eyes will be shining a bit. That is W7 black eyeliner, and I'm not going to put lashes. It's a simple look, just the color is enough. That is Clean Color Primer Spray. I let it set. Then I'm mixing these two foundations for my skin. That is Black Opal in Ebony Brown and Maybelline Fit Me number 368. To highlight, I'm using one shade lighter than my skin. The only place that will be popping will be my eyes. Just pressing in the foundation using a damp beauty blender. Banana setting powder by Beauty Creations. Contour with Black Opal, Ebony Brown. Contour powder is Lagal pressed powder in dark cocoa. Now time to blend everything with a damp beauty blender. And I'm just going to blend until there are no demarcation marks left. Black eye pencil in my waterline. I'm using the remaining eyeshadow left in the brush. For the glow, I used the Nubian 2 eyeshadow palette in Nefertiti. I won't use a lipstick, but just a lip gloss. And that is my simple evening makeup look. Not too much, just the eyes popping. Meanwhile, do follow me on Instagram at jenny.m. I'll be posting short special effects makeup videos. And subscribe to my channel, please. It's free, by the way. Like and leave a comment. Just subscribe if you like makeup, hair stuff, not forgetting special effects makeup. Bye bye.